Okay, so today I'm going to show you this Canon FX. So I'm going to show you first the aesthetics. This is the front, one side, the other side, the top. No, this is a ding. The top, the bottom. Then first I'm going to show you the lens. So first off, the aesthetics of the lens, side, the back. Close up on the glass quality. Okay. I'm going to do a shine test to see if there's any organic growth that we need to take note of. Okay, so there you go, this Canon 50 1.8 FL lens. So make sure to close out of the inner part of the camera. Unfortunately, when I tested the light meter, I can't see the needle inside the focusing screen. I'm not sure why. So I'm just gonna sell this as it is. Sorry guys. And also I noticed that it's dirty and it has a line in the center. I'm not sure why. I can't find the light meter needle. I'm not sure if I'm checking at the right place or not. But this unit I'm gonna sell it as it is. I'm also not sure why I can't fire the camera. So this is the internal. Seems okay. Interesting. But yeah, this one cannot fire. So yeah. Okay, thanks everyone.